Hello there, here is a look at the latest UK weather warnings. This warning is valid from Tuesday at 6 AM until 6 PM the same day. The warning covers the areas covered in the circle, indicated in the circle. So as you can see, much of Scotland, except the far north, is affected by this warning. The north coast of Northern Ireland is also affected, and Northern England, especially the places on the Pennine routes are expected to be especially badly affected. And also that circle down there, you can just see, running from about Deal in Kent all the way along down to almost the Jurassic coast down there, including the Isle of Wight. So especially say Dover, Eastbourne, Hastings, Brighton, this is where the strongest winds are expected, with gusts here in excess of 70 miles per hour likely. So let's zoom back out and look at the overview of the warning. Storm force winds are expected. Gusts of 70 to 85 miles per hour are likely, especially on coasts, hills and mountains. The public are advised to take extra care. Ferries from Dover to Calais, vice versa, are likely to be temporarily cancelled. The worst of the winds are expected in the circle up here, in Scotland and the north coast of Northern Ireland and Northern England. Gusts here are expected to be around 80 to 85 miles per hour, whereas further south in this circle here, as you can see, gusts are likely to be closer to around 75 miles per hour, still enough to cause some pretty bad disruption. So keep up to date on your local radio station, or visit BBC Weather on bbc.co.uk/weather, or the Met Office at www.metoffice.gov.uk. Just a final look now. This is from 6 AM on Tuesday until 6 PM on Tuesday. This is tomorrow, of course. This is where the strongest winds are expected, especially southern Scotland, we think, and the north coast of Northern Ireland. This is where some serious disruption could occur, and Northern England also, but especially southern Scotland and the north coast of Northern Ireland. This is where we could have some serious disruption. Further south, on the south coast of Kent, east and west Sussex and Hampshire, we could still have some disruption. And like I say, ferry services are likely to be delayed or cancelled from Dover to Calais, vice versa, as winds are expected to be very strong down here. And one more thing just to mention is most areas in this warning would have experienced their strongest winds by around 2 PM. One area which is not expected to have its strongest winds by 2 PM is the northeast of Scotland, say around the Aberdeen area and the east coast of Scotland. Their strongest winds are expected to be very late on in the afternoon, say around 4, 5, 6 PM. So the east coast of Scotland might think the morning isn't that windy, but just wait till the afternoon. It's going to get extremely windy on the east coast of Scotland, where our strongest gusts could well happen as well, up there on the east coast of Scotland. So if you're planning to go up to the Grampians or the Cairngorms in Scotland, I would strongly advise not to go, because up on the high ground here we could have gusts in excess of 100 miles per hour. So please do take care if you're travelling anywhere across the United Kingdom, but especially in the areas in the circles indicated. So Scotland, most of Scotland, north coast of Northern Ireland, Northern England and Kent, East Sussex, West Sussex and Hampshire, including the Isle of Wight. Take care and thank you for watching. Goodbye.